Are you renting and trying to figure out a way to bring some fire into your apartment or home? Well, we got solutions for you. Just about any electric fireplace can be installed in a rental situation. A lot of them, like the Skope 110 here from Regency, can even be mounted onto the wall. The Skope, this one here you see does have a finishing trim. This is paintable, so you can paint it to match your furniture, your drape. In addition, a lot of electrics, like the Skope here, can simply be run off of a single 110 plug. They do produce a little bit of heat, about 5,000 BTU. One of the beautiful things about these electric fireplaces is you can actually burn these without producing any heat, so you can get the ambience flame without having to worry about your heating appliance fighting with your AC. These are a great option for anybody looking for a nice rental-friendly fireplace. They do come with a remote, and as you can see, as the colors changed here, they do have various color options. Many electric fireplaces, like the Skope, have various color options and media that can be placed in it to customize it to suit your needs. For more information, please give us a call or check out our webpage.
Thank you for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed our video. If so, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more content, subscribe to our channel. Also, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or check out our website at cozycabin.com, or feel free to give us a phone call, 518-623-4349. Have a great day, and thanks again for joining us.